Peace to all my Hmong family, going up high with powerful strength, going downhill without losing strength. Money and gold will keep coming, rice will never run out at all. Getting everything as you wish to get, and bless everyone to stay safe.